Most Americans are not broke because they don't earn enough. They're broke because of small habits they repeat every single day without even realizing it. Today, I'll show you 5 money habits that silently keep people poor and how you can avoid them. Let's start habit 1: lifestyle inflation. Every time income increases, expenses increase even faster. New phone, bigger car, more subscriptions. Instead of saving the extra money, people upgrade their lifestyle. Rich mindset: earn more, save more. Broke mindset is earn more, spend more. Habit 2: ignoring emergency funds. Most people don't have even $1,000 saved. So when an emergency happens, car repair, medical bill, job loss, they use credit cards, and debt begins. One emergency fund can protect you from years of financial stress. Habit 3: buying time instead of skills. People spend money to escape boredom. Netflix, food delivery, shopping, but they don't invest time in learning high value skills. Skills like communication, tech, finance, digital skills. Skills pay you forever. Entertainment only costs you. Habit 4: not understanding credit. Credit cards are tools, not free money. Late payments, minimum payments, and high interest destroy wealth silently. The rich use credit to build assets. The poor use credit to buy liabilities. Same card, different mindset. Habit 5: no financial goals. Most people don't have clear goals. No target savings. No investment plan, no retirement vision. If you don't tell money where to go, it will disappear on its own. Money is not about luck, it's about habits. Change small habits today, and your future will look completely different. Follow for more lifestyle, finance, and smart money content.